Hey guys, impromptu unboxing. So a while ago, Thor found the Disney shop online and he sent me the link and I was looking at it and I pointed out a certain purse that I really wanted. So he ordered it for me and he also got me something else. So impromptu unboxing for the beauty squad. So the thing that I wanted so bad was a Haunted Mansion purse. It's a crossbody purse, which is like the only purse I'm ever willing to carry because I know I won't lose it. And here that is. Sorry, the lighting's atrocious, but I'm too lazy to move. Get over it. So, it's not that big, which I like because I don't like big bags. I don't remember off the top of my head what the price was. I think it was $64. Thor signed up for the Disney credit card for our honeymoon and stuff. So all he had to pay on this, I think, was the shipping. So $64 bag, pretty much for free. So here's a close-up hashtag peel porn of the gargoyle from Haunted Mansion. I'm really glad that this isn't like super huge. I've already smeared makeup all over this because like, why am I like this? Whatever. I don't know if this is real leather. It doesn't smell like real leather. But yeah, this is the gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion. I thought it was gonna like stick out hella far and then I was gonna like bump people with it, but it's actually not that big. Let me try and... I touch my face all the time, so there's always makeup on my hands. This is like my #1 goth problem. I get makeup all over all of my black clothes. Anywho's what's it. So this is like, ooh. Oh, that whole top comes off. I don't have to like loop it. That's nice. And in here we've got the nice over-the-shoulder chain. So it can be used as a handbag or an over-the-shoulder. I'm going to be using it as an over-the-shoulder, so I won't lose it. There's lots of plastic. I'm literally, like, I just opened the box. This one is not rehearsed. So there we go, wear it like this. Yes, let's see how much stuffing they cram into these Disney purses. Oh my god! The lining is so cute, you guys. Okay. It's little owls. Okay, I have to carefully move my camera. I don't know how well this is gonna show up, so I will take a picture for you guys. But, oh, I was definitely this way. Yeah, I'll take a picture. It's super cute. It's like little spooky ghouls and such inside of a tree. Yeah, this will definitely fit my wallet and my purse, which is all I need. Or my wallet and my phone. This is the purse. Some silica, anybody? Yeah, it's got decent amount of space. That just, does this click pretty well? That's gonna bug me if it doesn't. Oh, no, it magnetizes. Yeah, cool. Okay, definite win with this purse. The size is pretty much exactly what I thought it would be, except for this. It's much flatter, which I'm very grateful for. Because in the picture online, it looks like this massive, like, piece, because it's hyper detailed. But it's really not. It doesn't even, like, stick out from the purse, like, at all. So that's good. Next up, Thor surprised me by ordering this one. I only asked for the purse if he was going to get anything from that site for me. But he saw this too, and I'm definitely wearing this on our honeymoon. The little tissue paper inside the box is so cute. This is all like Disney. Like, it's not from Etsy or anything. It's Disney. So it's all like super expensive and done up. I don't know how much this dress was. I didn't really look at it. but it's, you know, like a tuxedo shirt. This is like a maid shirt. Oh my god, I am literally so excited to wear this on my honeymoon. I'm just so sad that it's gonna be freaking Nightmare Before Christmas. I really wish they would save that for like actual Christmas. Because like, what is more Halloween than Haunted Mansion, you guys? Come on. So this is the dress. The fabric is really nice, so it won't be awkward to wear. Oh, this is the pattern that's inside. Jeez. This is the pattern that's inside the purse, but it's like the owls are light gray, the background is black, and the eyes are white. It's super cute. Oh my god, I need to find like a better excuse or place to just wear this dress. Somebody take me to a convention that Disney people go to, and I will cosplay as a Haunted Mansion person. Anyway, I'm going to wear that on my honeymoon and any time beforehand I can think of. And this is my new everyday purse, which really came in time because the Lips purse Mary Kate bought me is literally like breaking apart at the bottom, and all my change is about to fall out because I use it so often. I'm like trying to see if the dog is chewing on something she's allowed to chew on. I think so. It looks like she has a rope. Anyway, so that was my impromptu little unboxing for you. And this is the tissue paper. Isn't that so cute? Like, I feel like I need to do something with this. Like, I don't want to waste it. It's so cute. It just made me, like, 10 times more excited for my honeymoon and also, like, goth AF dreams for this purse. Because, like, I love my Lips purse. And, like, the waffle purse was cute, but it just got me so much more attention than I ever, like, want. Like, way too many people would come up to me and, like, talk about my purse. And, like, it was just too much for me. So this is, like, subtle and very, like, classy, dark. I love it. And it's not falling apart because it's brand new. So, yeah, I'll have a nice goth purse that'll match all my outfits instead of sticking out like a sore thumb like my lips. Even though I love them, I really do. I'm just going for a theme here. As you can see with my tie-dye, but, like, I'm at home. This is my at-home look. Anyway, yeah, that was my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm, like, probably not going to edit this at all and just send it to you guys. So, bye, Beauty Squad.